Have you ever had a lipstick so yummy you wanted to eat it? Well, today we can. Today we are making a rose flavored cheesecake ice cream inspired by Habibti Huda Beauty's new liquid matte mousse in shade Rosy Nude. Yalla jahez banat. Okay, 500 milliliters of whipping cream. Yalla yalla. 180 grams Philadelphia cheese. 1 cup of rose essence. Rahatat ijennen. Ana ahib rose, wallah. And 1 cup of vanilla. 2 spoons of rose syrup. Now we blend. It's not on. Okay, now we blend. Mixture is ready and now we just pour it in. We're doing it. We're gonna add 1 or 2 spoons of biscuit. Now for the most exciting part, the moment we've all been waiting for, the actual ice cream. Yalla. So we did it! Let's add some biscuit, white chocolate, some roses, a little bit of rose syrup. Added 1 more special ingredient. Obviously this is the rose nude lip, but we have to try it. Woo! لذيذ بنات والله بالعافية.